and welcome to Key Stage 3 Science. This particular chapter is called compounds. So elements join together by chemical reactions to form compounds. So when you have one element that joins together with another element through a chemical reaction, that then produces a compound. So a compound is a mixture of different elements together. Compounds have different properties to the elements that formed them originally. So in a chemical reaction, new substances are formed and energy is taken in or given out. It is also difficult to make a reaction go backwards. So you cannot reverse a reaction once it's done. So these are some examples of chemical reactions in front of you. So for example, a coal burning in fire is actually a chemical reaction. Hydrogen exploding. So if you lit a splint with some hydrogen, that will explode, and then itself there will be a chemical reaction and a compound is formed. If you were to be making salt, so you've got a gas jar, a burning spoon, burning sodium and chlorine gas, and you were to mix those together in a chemical reaction, then you will get a new form of compound that will also be formed. So for example, if we were to add carbon, let's just write this down for you and give you some examples of how this works. If we were to add carbon and oxygen, that would make carbon dioxide. And remember, we human beings breathe in oxygen, but we breathe out carbon dioxide. Let's give you another example. So this is basically a compound. So carbon dioxide is an example of a compound. So how is water actually made? So water is a chemical compound of hydrogen plus oxygen equals water. So water in itself is a compound.